Today, we're diving deep into the future of Samsung's flagship series, the Galaxy S25. Rumors are swirling that you might need to loosen your wallets because of potential price hikes. So let's explore what's behind these predictions and what it could mean for you as a consumer in 2025. First up, let's talk numbers. In June, renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo hinted at a significant price increase for the Galaxy S25 series. He speculated on a staggering 25% to 30% rise tied to the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 application processor. If we break it down, the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is priced between $190 and $200. If Kuo's predictions hold, the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's price could range from approximately $237.50 to $260. So how does this affect the Galaxy S25? Well, if the chipset's costs are soaring, it isn't hard to imagine those expenses trickling down to consumers like you and me. But that's not the only factor at play. Now let's discuss Samsung's strategic choices. Traditionally, the Galaxy S line used a mix of processors, with select models in different regions relying on either the Snapdragon or Exynos chipsets. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, it's likely we'll see the Exynos 2500 in all markets except the US, Canada, and China. In these regions, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will power every model, including the Ultra version available globally. But here's where things get murky. Kuo now suggests that due to production issues at Samsung Foundry, we could face a situation where every Galaxy S25 model needs to incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, leading to that noticeable 30% price increase across the board. It raises the question, how would Samsung respond to that scenario? Let's explore Samsung's possible strategies if yields for the Exynos 2500 don't improve. They have three options. Option 1, simply pass the increased costs on to consumers, resulting in that full 30% price hike. That's a hard pill to swallow. Option 2, keep the prices steady and let Samsung absorb the increased component costs. This might be their best bet for customer loyalty, but could hurt their profit margins. Or option 3, raise prices by a smaller margin, sharing the impact of the cost increases between the company and the consumers. Now let's get technical for a moment. Back in June, we speculated about whether Samsung could ramp up yield production for the Exynos 2500, which will utilize that cutting-edge 3nm process node. In early 2024, yields were dismal, operating at single digits, but by Q2, they had risen to 20%. To move into mass production, Samsung needs at least 60% yield. So the pressure is on. If Samsung Foundry can't boost production in time, we could all be looking at higher prices in no time. And that's something we should be cautious about as potential Galaxy S25 buyers. So, what do you think? Are you ready to pay more for the Galaxy S25 if it means better performance, or would you prefer to stick with existing models? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.